Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through how to enable alerts for X notices on the X app. If you've ever missed an important update or wanted to make sure you never skip a notification again, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you set it up quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your settings. This is where you can control everything about how your device and apps behave. Scroll down until you see the option for apps, and then tap on it. This is where all the apps installed on your phone are listed. Next, look for the X app in your list. Once you find it, tap on it to open the app's settings. Here, you'll see different options that let you control how the app works on your device. Now tap on Notifications. This section is important because it gives you full control over what kinds of alerts the app can send you. From here, you'll need to tap on Notification Categories. Categories are basically different types of alerts the app can send. And this is where you'll find the option for X notices. Once you see X notices, tap on it. You'll notice a few choices here. And to make sure you never miss important updates, you need to select Alert. By doing this, your device will treat these notices as priority notifications and promptly show them whenever they arrive. That's it. You've successfully enabled alerts for X notices on the X app. From now on, you'll be kept up to date and won't have to worry about missing anything important. This setup only takes a minute, but it makes a big difference if you regularly rely on X app for updates. If at any time you'd like to make changes, just follow these same steps and adjust the settings however you prefer. Thanks for following along.